Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the traveling towboat chef. Today's video is going to be garlic Parmesan ranch oven fried potato wedges. They're easy to make. It's great if you got kids, grandkids, they will love them. But before we start on that recipe, there's something I need to show you that is one of the sites on the side of the cliffside on the way up to St. Louis. And it's very famous for us towboaters. Why it's there, I have no idea. I have tried to research this. Nobody can tell me. So if anybody knows, please comment below why these are there and what was the meaning behind it. You'll get a kick out of it. I'll try to take a screenshot of it to get a closer up picture and do my best. Hopefully it's not so blurry. But enjoy the video. Let's continue on. Okay, we're coming up to it. The house, the little house there on the right, in between that big house on the right and the bigger building on the left. I want you to see right there in the middle. So see if you can see it. It's going to be right below that wheelhouse. Above that wheelhouse now. I'm going to try and get a close-up of it. For some reason, I'm trying to zoom in, but it's not zooming in right now. But it's decorated every Christmas with red, green, and white stripes. Right now, it's got black and white stripes. So you'll see here in a second if this damn phone will ever focus in. It seems like, there we go, it's focusing in a little bit. I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and I'm going to see if I can zoom in on it and make it a little bit larger. But if you look closely, it's a pair of legs. Look like somebody diving into a little round pool. But if anybody knows the story on this, please comment below. I would love to know what the heck this is all about. Next, I'm going to be making what I call ranch garlic Parmesan fried potatoes from the oven. So potato wedges. So here's the ingredients. 1 second. Okay, get a package of the ranch dry mix, granulated garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and of course the potatoes. But we're going to be cutting up those potatoes. And be right back. Let me get set up, alright? Okay, let's get started here. Get yourself a Ziploc baggie. This is what you gotta have to mix everything together. So, here we go. Put that in the baggie. Now, again, I don't measure. I just pour. Depends on how much garlic you want. You can usually tell with the granulated garlic. So, I would say that's probably about two tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. About the same amount that you have in here already with the ranch and the garlic. You put the same amount of cheese in. That's about right. Zip it up. Shake it like a shake and bake. And it looks like this. So, what I do with the potatoes is I just cut them in quarters, lengthwise like this, to where they look like little mini wedges. Let me get all these cut up, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, here we go. I got these all cut up. As you can see, they're all in quarters. These are the small, really tiny, small red potatoes. These guys like those potato wedges up. Cover it in oil. Don't be afraid of using too much. You ain't never gonna use too much. And of course, I always forget my wooden spoon. Make sure that it's completely covered. You're going to have a lot of oil on the bottom. That is fine. You will need that here in a minute, and I'll show you why. Alright, these are all pretty much covered. Now you grab your bag and you sprinkle it on first. Just cover up the top real fast. It looks like this. Stir it up. You're going to do this a couple times to make sure it get them all covered. Do it again. Get it all covered. And one more time. See that this also soaks up that oil that helps make this crispy in the oven. Alright. Now the next step, I'm getting the items for it. Getting my trusted Pam. Getting a trusted sheet pan. Cover it up. You don't do this, that Parmesan cheese will stick like hell on these things. Alright, how I do this is every single one I take out and lay face up. I'm sure you don't want to watch me do all of these, so I'll come right back and show you how I do the end result. Okay, I got them all on the pan. As you can see, now there's a few of them that need a little bit more, so hence the reason why I still have this out. So what I do is I give them all an extra coating. And once this is done, you put it in the oven at between 375 and 400 for approximately 1 hour, or however crispy you want these to be. So, I'll see you back in a few minutes. Well, let's see how these potatoes look now. Alright, hold on. Oh yeah, these look delicious. Let me get them out of the oven. Hold on. And here they are, nice and crispy. These guys will love this. I want to thank you for watching this video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and share if you can. I hope you all have a great and wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.